My name is Megan Barnash.
My name is Ben Stongrath.
Marcus Stein here.
This is Stacey Roshan.
My name is Esty Williams.
And I want to invite you to CAMI Connect 2021.
CAMI Connect is going to be a great place for you to learn more about CAMI itself.
By working with leaders in the field of educational technology. Leaders like myself.
There is an amazing theme this year, an incredible lineup of speakers, amazing keynotes, free professional development. What more could you ask for as a teacher?
Be on the lookout for intermission games where you can get a chance to win a CAMI t-shirt or my favorite, stickers.
We're giving away bonus resources that you can watch before the conference.
Be sure to join us this February as we kick off an unbelievable event.
Register, sign up today. It's completely free.
I really hope that you'll enjoy.
We look forward to seeing you there.
I'll see you soon.
Join us for CAMI Connect 2021.